Good morning.
Hi. I am Linda,
I'm Sue.
and we're from the Yarn Bar in Billings, Montana.
Here we are again.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching us.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 5th of July.
Well, I know, but I'm like going backwards.
Okay, it's a
in time.
downward. It's downward from
I
here.
know. This is like the halfway point.
I don't know. I think it just kind of feels like that. Yeah.
I know other people
Or
have
else
said
it's
that
high
too.
summer.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we still have the hot August nights coming up.
But the days are getting shorter.
Yeah, I know. Already this morning I went to work out and he hadn't had turned his lights on yet. And I'm like, wow, it's so dark in here already. Well, it was cloudy, but
yeah,
had to turn those on.
Yeah, did you have a good couple days of
rest
and relaxation?
It was really nice. On Saturday, the kids came over.
Wait, Saturday we were here.
No, wait, Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
The little kids came over and we set up our really exciting pool.
Kiddie pool?
Mm-hmm. Which I posted. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. We just had a lot of fun. Ate ice cream bars and popsicles and watched kids flap around in the pool and play all kinds of games.
Did you do any fireworks?
No, we didn't do any. Silas has a thing about that.
Yeah.
And like yesterday we were in Laurel. They had gone to the parade and then we came over for barbecue and they didn't even stay for fireworks because of that. So he's just wearing this like big headset walking around. and Elise doesn't really care. She's
funny.
like, oh, that was loud right next to me, practically. She didn't even care.
There were some doozies in our neighborhood.
Okay,
like
so last night, though, I didn't hear anything.
Oh, I did.
And I did go to bed early. I'm sorry. It was because we had to work out and get up at 5 this morning. So
yeah, I went to bed early, too. I mean, it was pretty normal.
apparently it hailed over there in Shepherd.
Oh,
at
really?
like 2 a.m. because
I heard some thunder
Hayden
last
said,
night.
Yeah, he said it was just downing.
Weird.
Like, coming down pretty hard.
Crazy. Okay.
Well,
Giveaway.
Okay. Well, first of all, we have a Rowan trunk show that we're gonna talk about, and with that in mind, we've got a kit of Rowan not felted tweed, their Kidsilk Haze color, which is these big, they're like double skeins of Kidsilk Haze, and they kind of have a little bit of variegation, which is quite pretty. So we're actually giving a kit away.
Don't crackle. Too noisy.
Okay, sorry. With this kit. So, and look at this beautiful color, which we are actually out of stock,
that
but
orange.
you get it, whoever wins it, and we know who it is, and honestly, we know she's going to look awesome in this color. It's Shannon Conroy. You are the winner.
Again, this is from commenters from our YouTube subscribers from last week's video.
Yep.
So we picked number 7 commenter, and that's Shannon.
Yep. So, if you want to win next week's, watch this week's video, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and leave a comment. So, and the week before, it was Walter, right? So
Yeah, so fun. So, it's all from Rowan's spring-summer collection from the magazine. And they sent us this, and we have a few to chat about that we thought, I mean, we have more samples in the store if you wanted to look.
This is by far the simplest. It is called the Bee Wrap, so that's B-E-A, not B-E-E.
Like Beatrice,
but
B.
yeah, but I love this.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
I would wear this 24/7 if I owned it.
Gorgeous.
And I love the length because then, you can wear it like this, and it's so pretty.
And what a nice project to work on, just work on it,
it's kinda like the
stockinette,
airline
knit a row,
scarf.
purl a row, set it
Yep.
down. You don't have to remember anything about where you were.
And the way that this Kidsilk Haze, is variegated, it kind of has a watercolor look to it. So the colors that we have are so pretty.
This is new from Rowan for spring.
Yeah, and we love it. It's double the yardage of regular Kidsilk Haze, so you can get a lot done. And if you do just one skein would make a beautiful scarf.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure that's the wrap.
Yeah, or you could do a cowl also, which is
beautiful.
And that would be like the airline.
Anyway, everyone knows we love haze. We love mohair. So if you want to carry this with another really lightweight yarn, it's, just gives it a different look, different depth. Sky's the limit. It's pretty fun. Okay. Yay.
Okay.
Giveaway.
The Flow Shawl.
Flow Shawl. This is another one with Kidsilk Haze.
And there's not a ton of projects on Ravelry with this, but there are a couple, and the people that made it said they absolutely loved it so much. They ended up knitting it a couple times, so
that's one.
It is gorgeous.
What a nice way to play with colors too. Again,
so
another simple, nice Netflix movie knitting vacation project. It's really pretty. Okay,
yeah, I love this color combos. There you go.
Gorgeous. So this one is called the Flow Shawl. 5 colors.
Just stockinette. So I don't know why you couldn't do garter on that too.
You could.
Yeah, you sure could.
Or even more of a no-brainer.
Yeah. Yum. Okay.
Okay, this is so cute. I was looking at these two. This is called the Bone Vest. What are you laughing about?
I just had a funny thought. This probably will be really stupid. But didn't they do this like in the 60s?
No. I'm not sure about that.
They were shorter
About
though,
what?
right?
They were shorter.
What?
But that's what they did in
Like
the
this.
convertible.
Yeah.
Oh, in the convertible. I don't know. What do you think of convertible? You mean like in a convertible car?
Yeah.
Like with your...
And you put your silk.
You mean
It
like...
was really short though.
Like
it was
Audrey Hepburn or...
It was probably just the two, like the green, up to the green. That's
Bridget
probably
Jones
as thick as you
and,
could go.
Bridget's
Anyway, sorry.
going on their little weekend.
That's probably not what Rowan intended.
Well, you never know what they intended.
Okay.
Okay,
Bone
nice.
vest.
Okay, bone vest. I don't really know why it's called the bone vest. It doesn't look like a bone, but it sure is pretty. And it's got a pretty simple little pattern on there. And I don't think
Cute.
I tried this on, but it's really cute.
Classic.
What a great little...
It looks like tennis.
Yep.
Tennis, anyone?
Yep.
Or maybe pickleball. But they might not dress up for pickleball.
I bet...
Casual.
Okay.
Well, this is casual. Or if cricket, maybe. Cricket is all white.
Okay. So the yarn with that is.
That is the Summerlite DK.
Nice yarn.
It is a DK weight cotton. Very nice, lightweight.
feels good.
Yeah,
It's really soft.
lots of great colors. Okay,
Yeah.
I just thought of something silly, but you were talking about cricket. Then I got, like Maddie sent us some pictures, and Hayden, it was a picture of Julian, and he was wearing,
That's the baby.
wearing a little like Henley that said Brisbane Lions on it, which is the local Brisbane, I have to say this all specifically, AFL rugby team.
AFL, what does that mean?
Well, they have different
Australian
different
Football
leagues.
League.
Yeah, they
Okay.
have a few different ones. Anyway, I commented and said that they have a neighbor across the street that plays for that team. I said, well, that must have been your neighbors that gave that to you. And it looks like he'll be playing some footy soon. Well, foot in mouth. No, in pun intended, or, footy is not rugby. Footy is soccer, and if you like rugby, you probably don't love soccer, at least in Australia. So I got corrected, and I'm sure James probably was just saying, Linda, so typical. So don't get your rugby and footy mixed up.
I don't think I will.
Okay. We don't really have to worry about that here. You could have said that to us, and we'd be like, yeah.
I know.
Great.
I said I was hoping no one would notice my faux pas,
That's
but
funny.
they noticed.
Okay, so the bone vest, Summerlite DK.
Do
Nice.
we know how many
Very
skeins
pretty
this
project.
takes? I did not see that.
Okay, I don't know.
So, me neither.
It
But
doesn't say.
that is cute.
Okay.
Okay, so then we have this lovely light sweater, which...
Nope.
No, that's not it.
This
That's
is the light
Camilla.
sweater.
Oh, striped
This
version.
is
Thank you.
Kidsilk Haze
I do
and
see
felted tweed It's called the Light Sweater.
And
Yummy.
I saw this on a few people. Very cute.
We know that Cindy was looking at this with
this
great
kind
interest
of looks
on
like
Friday.
Cindy. Yes, I can
really
see
cute.
that.
Feels good.
Yeah, very, very good.
Beautiful colors. Kidsilk Haze has like a billion color options. Felted Tweed does
and
too.
that isn't even an understatement.
Yeah. I really think this is fabulous.
Yeah, I tried that on Friday.
That's cute. Okay, the Light Sweater. Cleverly named. Light Sweater.
So we have some options. I pulled some
Oh,
combos
yeah.
there of felted tweed and Kidsilk Haze.
That's a good one.
Oh, okay.
Pretty, pretty.
Matchy match. We like
Let's
it.
choose one for Cindy.
Okay, Cindy.
But she might want exactly the same. But we're not gonna.
She
we're
might.
gonna deviate for
But
her.
I feel like
She would be pretty in those.
that's kind of what I was thinking, based on the fact that she's got a hot pink snow bunny sweater.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
gray would look good with all of it.
Yeah, it would.
actually. So
Yeah.
you probably wouldn't want to vary
Here's a pretty
too much from that.
green. What about this? Could be fun. Nice. Again, sky's the limit with that one. Okay. Now we're on to the
Sorry,
Camilla.
back at it. There's a lovely picture of Camilla on the royal page today. Speaking of Camilla,
This may or may not have been named for Camilla, but it is called
Camilla, and this really fun striped. And once again, it is the Summerlite DK, which is it's a DK, but it's sort of when they say light, I think they mean it. It's a little bit of a light DK, I feel like. But I love the colors. It's really light. It's cotton, but it just feels really good on.
It's really soft.
And I feel like this would be really cute on you, but I don't know if you tried it on.
I don't think I did. Yeah, I don't think I tried anything on. I don't know why. I think we were in a haze.
A Kidsilk Haze.
Kidsilk Haze last week. Post travel and markets, kind of like that week is another wash.
Yeah.
I don't know what the excuse will be this week, but short week, holiday week.
That's
think
right.
We can do.
off today.
We'll be
Yeah.
off.
I know.
Continue to be
Today's
off.
Monday. No, it's Tuesday. We're
Okay.
here. Okay.
So that's a fun Rowan trunk show.
Yes, and we do
recap.
have a few more projects that are here, and you might want to come in and you can try these on. I think you should, but we'll have them on display. So I'm excited for.
I think this would be a
for the
really
crew.
fun transition to carry you into.
I kind of feel
fall.
like this is probably like the super most wearable sweater option that
It's
I think
really
a lot of
cute.
people will like.
Okay. All right. We have a new yarn.
We do,
And we
oh,
put something
forgot
on our
to do
story
balloons. Sorry.
to say, guess what it is. And we just got a couple guesses, so no one guessed. Anyway.
but
But we're here to.
Hard to get it right.
I think so. And I don't know what
All the
you.
yarns in the world.
Someone guessed Ulysses, and I really don't know what that is. So
Anyway.
Anyway.
Vovo!
this is Retrosaria
Yay!
Vovo, which is a sport weight, and let me tell you, it's soft.
Sparklers! We've actually waited for a while to get Retrosaria into the shop, and
Yep.
so we're happy. It just
Yeah,
really
we're happy they
to have it.
contacted us.
We contacted them, and then they
contacted us.
finally they said thank you for your patience. So anyway,
So
we're
yeah,
excited.
Vovo means grandma, and I want to show you the cute little.
She's tatted up. She's
see it.
really cute.
You're gonna
Yeah.
have to come in and see.
Yep.
some.
Yeah. It's
It
cute.
feels good. It's soft. It's Portuguese wool. It's non-museling. It's spun right there. Portugal is known for really lovely textiles. So anyway, and Ashley did a lot of knitting this weekend.
I
'cause
don't
we
think
did get
she
this
did
Thursday.
anything else.
Actually, I hosted a whole barbecue.
I don't know
and
how
then
you did that. Where you like
Did a hat.
had that under your arm the whole time. Okay, flip the burger, knit, flip the hot dog.
Ashley's
Yeah,
super
it's so
organized.
cute.
It's cute.
Yeah, I love
Anyway.
it.
Feels good. We're really talking about the yarn, not the knitting. But
But you did a great
It's-
job knitting, and
It's an
since it was like a
easy-
kind of
It
a
was.
marathon thing,
she sent a picture, and you're like, I really like this yarn.
Yeah,
it doesn't always say that.
Feels
I don't,
it
but
does
It's really good.
feel good.
Yeah.
Sport weight, ideal for color work, wonderful for sweaters. Naturally warm.
And we got
all that
all the
good stuff.
colors. We actually, some people fell in love with it on Saturday and took them home. So
There's a few marled options, which is nice.
Yeah, those are
They
really
play
fun.
well.
yeah, play well together.
It's good. We are so happy to have it, and we're glad we were patient. That's pretty.
I know.
Yeah.
We got 24 colors, I believe.
Yeah, 24. Yeah.
And you need 4 for that hat. So lots of.
And you probably
lots
have
of
quite a bit
combos.
left, right?
Yeah, even after the pom pom.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like
So-
you could just flip it up and
Yeah.
make another one.
It's 156 yards per ball. Sport weight. Again, we've said it. We love it.
We love it.
Yeah.
So there's some other pattern
Well, we need to say the
options.
name of that
Oh,
one,
okay.
probably.
This one is called the Hat and Peak by Maxim Sear. I'm not sure if that's the proper pronunciation.
How's it
but-
look in the camera?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, it's
fun.
beautiful color combos.
Fun way to, and easy color work.
Very easy.
Yeah.
Color
Yeah,
work.
and this yarn is perfect for color work. I mean, I feel like it was just made for color work.
Yep, it's awesome. Okay, and so that's obviously a quick idea to do. You could start on some gift knitting if you wanted to.
Yeah, and you even had like enough for pom.
And you have
still plenty
leftovers. Yeah.
leftover.
Yeah. Okay, there's a couple other ones that ideas for you. The Woodland sweater by Tiff Nylon. There's a picture of Tiff's sweater. Vintage menswear vibe with herringbone detail along the collar and hem. Cute.
You sound like a fashion show. And now
Well,
we
I'm
have-
just reading what our producer wrote.
I just picked out some interesting details.
Very good.
I loved the vintage menswear vibe.
I
like
see that. I see that. It's cool. Pretty colors that she chose for that sample.
That's very cute.
Okay. And then lastly,
But not leastly.
any sport weight pattern, you guys, perfect for this yarn.
Okay, so the Jupiter crop by
Want me to read?
Caitlin Hunter. Sure, go ahead
That
and
was
read
a
it.
collaboration with Vovo, which is perfect for color work.
For every girl.
That's cute.
Or boy.
Yeah, that's fun. Caitlin, Boyland Knitworks, that one's been around for a while. We did not know that it was knit with
Retrosaria,
Vovo in
yeah.
mind, but it's cute.
But
Pretty
yeah,
colors.
sport weight. I
like
love
it.
the colors. Yeah, I think that
These are really rich colors. They're,
lots of depth to them.
they're very pretty. They have lots of reds and mauves.
They do. They have lots of colors that have rose. Dark rose, rose, light rose, purple rose.
It's really beautiful. I think a classic. So we're happy to have it.
Dark rose.
Happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's going to be a great addition to the store. I'm excited.
Yes, we are too.
And we're excited about many more additions coming
Coming soon to your favorite yarn shop near you.
Or maybe
Like this
not
week.
near you, but we can send it to you.
That's,
That's
right.
right.
We
It's
can
near your
mail.
fingertips.
That's right. Click. Click,
Yep.
click. So I think that's all we have today.
Yeah.
All right.
Right on time.
Thanks for
right.
watching.
Hey, we'll see
Have
you
a great
next
day.
week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.